Alright, hopefully you've had time to kind of work through the 3 problems. So what I thought we would do is at this time we would read through the 3 problems. We would decide on an action and go from there. So the first problem says Dale bought 1/2 pound of candy. If he shares it equally with 4 of his friends, how many pounds will each person get? So some information stands out to me. First of all, I want to think about who's in the problem and what do they have. And so if I think about that, I know Dale's in the problem and he has some candy. And what is he going to do with this candy? Well, he's going to share it equally. And so I automatically start thinking about sharing this equally. And how is he going to share it? He's going to share it with 4 of his friends. Now that's been kind of, something we've had to talk about today because a lot of boys and girls are wanting to put Dale as one of the people in this problem. But I really think that if they wanted Dale in this problem, then it would say Dale and his 4 friends. But it's not saying that. So we're going to go ahead and go with 4 friends. So I have to stop and think to myself, what is it that we're sharing? Well, we're sharing the candy. And so the candy is going to come first. And how are we sharing the candy? We're sharing it with 4 friends. So once I start my equation, then that helps me go back and think about my action, which this is division. Hopefully you picked division on your paper, and if you did not, then you need to erase and change it. And I have to think about my picture. So when I look at this picture is representing my whole amount. My whole amount. But I don't have a whole pound of candy. I only have half. So I'm just going to speckle the half that I have. And when we were doing this last week, we were covering up half. And since I only have half, I'm going to divide the half into 4 equal parts. So I'm going to cut this into 4 equal pieces. And when I uncover, I notice that it is unequal. And I cannot have a fraction that is unequal. So I have to cut the other side also. And it's just one of these pieces that Dale will be getting. He'll get 1 part of the total 8 that are there. So my answer is 1/8. So I can go back to my equation and write my answer 1/8. And I have to think about what we're doing. What is it that we're dividing? We're taking 1/2 pound and we're dividing that into 4 groups. All right, go ahead and make sure that yours matches mine.